Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. If you're into that, go ahead and click the subscribe button and keep watching. Today, I'm gonna share one of my new favorite things. Look what just came in the mail. I know I'm pretty late getting one, but I finally got one. I'm just gonna do a quick little unboxing. Okay, so this Presto, the Hydro food dehydrator was $36 from Amazon. I thought that was a really great deal. I love deals. And as long as it does what I need it to do, I will be happy. If you happen to have this particular dehydrator, comment down below. Let me know how you like it. What are some of the fruits or vegetables or even herbs that you've used on yours? And any tip. First thing that I'm going to dehydrate is apples. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today you caught me just in time. I'm getting ready to make organic apple chip. One of my favorite channels is Little Island Philippines. If you haven't checked out her channel, watched her videos, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? After this video, run and go check out her channel. She has a great video on how to cook organic apple chip. Love apples. My neighbor actually has a huge orchard. I mean, she has every fruit that you can think of. Today she gave me a basket full of apples and I was like, you know what? I am going to try recipe. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna be using a Preston dehydrator. So I'm pretty excited about using that for the first time. And then also, I did another Sam's Club haul, but it's a very small haul. This is the only thing that I purchased. You do need lemon juice, and I was like, I only had one bottle of lemon juice. I couldn't believe it. So Sam's Club has these really great bottles. Comes with two in a pack, as you can see. You know me, instead of just getting the one or the two, I went ahead and got another 2-pack, so 4. So 4 bottles, I think that should last us for a while. Of course, you're gonna need your apples. I have a little bowl, and then I have some other little mixing bowls just in case I might need them. And here I just have the apple soaking in a cup of water and then a cup of lemon juice. 8 hours later, I have my chips. I'm pretty excited. It is so good. Really glad I tried this. Like, I normally dehydrate my vegetables, and so now I get to enjoy my fruit. It's really, really good. I really like it. Thanks for watching. And if you're still watching, the trays are so easy to wash. Yeah, so I really did like this dehydrator. The only thing, it took 8 hours for the apples to dry. I guess like you could either do it early in the morning and then go about your day, or you could do it in the evening. I didn't feel comfortable leaving my dehydrator on, you know, when we went to bed. So I just went ahead and did mine early in the morning. So, I mean, you know, for the price, I thought it was pretty good, and it did what it was supposed to, you know, so I give it a thumbs up. All right, for the price, a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Just a reminder, it's okay to press that reset button if you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed. It's okay. You know, sometimes we just need to step back, take a deep breath, do a DIY or exercise, do some yoga, meditate, just relax, do something for you today. There's so much going on in the world. I encourage you to do something for you. Take some time out for you to help you reset, stay focused. All right, enjoy your day. I will see you in the next video. Keep watching.